Transformer Maintenance. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course covers electrical transformer fundamentals, preventive and predictive maintenance practices, diagnostic testing, and condition assessment. What you'll learn. Students will learn transformer construction and operating principles, routine inspection and maintenance procedures, and key diagnostic testing methods such as insulation resistance, power factor, oil analysis, and dissolved gas analysis. This course delivers maintenance principles, demonstrations of testing methods, and case studies of transformer failures with lessons learned. Students will also gain practical guidance on condition-based maintenance strategies to improve long-term reliability. Who should attend? This course is designed for utility and industrial electrical engineers, transformer maintenance staff, substation electricians, technicians, and asset management professionals. This course comes with a Transformer Maintenance Training Certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and a Transformer Maintenance Handbook. Maximize reliability, reduce maintenance costs, and improve transformer performance. Register today for EFTI's Transformer Maintenance Training.